A moving average is a commonly used technical indicator in share trading that helps smooth out price data by creating a constantly updated average price. This helps traders identify trends over a specific period of time. There are different types of moving averages. Simple moving average, SMA. This is calculated by adding the closing prices of a security over a set number of periods and then dividing by that number of periods. It gives equal weight to all data points in the period. Exponential moving average, EMA. This type gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to new information. It reacts faster to price changes compared to SMA. Weighted moving average, WMA. This assigns different weights to each price in the period, with more recent prices typically receiving more weight. How to use moving averages in share trading. Trend identification. Moving averages help traders identify the direction of the trend. If the price is above the moving average, it typically indicates an uptrend. If it's below, it suggests a downtrend. Support and resistance. Moving averages can act as support in an uptrend, or resistance in a downtrend levels. Traders watch these levels to make buy or sell decisions. Crossovers. A common strategy is to look for crossovers between different moving averages. For example, a golden cross occurs when a short-term average crosses above a long-term average, signaling a potential uptrend. Conversely, a death cross occurs when a short-term average crosses below a long-term average, suggesting a potential downtrend. Confirmation. Traders often use moving averages in conjunction with other indicators to confirm signals and reduce false positives. By using moving averages, traders can make more informed decisions based on the overall trend and potential price movements. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.